Hey guys, so I'm finished with this smoke generator. I kinda copied some people and changed the design and created this, and I'm really not that happy with it. For once, this whole can is metal and I'm putting 12 volt through it even though I have grommets here. I feel like it's not right. It could short and cause a fire or something. Second thing is this thing is directly connected to the battery, and I would like to have some kind of fuse in between, so if you draw on your amperage, it will actually protect the cable or something. um, Third thing is, I think it's kind of unnecessary to use this extra stuff, like the brass attachment here for the hose and stuff like that. So, oh, and the wick that we use, I think we can just use regular cotton. So I'm gonna try to make the same thing with cheaper options, cheaper things or less things, so it's easier to make. So I went to a thrift store and I got this glass jar with a plastic lid. I was specifically looking for a glass jar and a plastic lid, so it's insulated already. You don't have to try to insulate separately. So what I want to do is, the seal is horrible here. So I'm still gonna use the tire valves to get the air in here. Instead of using the wick, I'm gonna use a 100% cotton undershirt that it was in my pile of rags, and I'm still gonna use the stainless steel wire that I use on this one. You should be using a wire that you use on e-cigarettes. That's what everyone was using. I used this and it was working, so I'm gonna continue using this. And I'm gonna use the same kind of hose, but instead of having an adapter, I'm planning to just drill a hole here and just glue it. Why not? Why do we have to have the brass attachment? It's not making it stronger, and this is a thing we're gonna use for 10 minutes out of the year or whatever. It doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, only other problem with this, it's glass. You don't want to drop it or hit it somewhere around the car and break it, so we're gonna have to be more careful with this than this. But at least we're not gonna have shorts. Yesterday when I was using this, I realized that when I attached this to the body of the car, I was getting sparks. That means the positive was somehow leaking through the body, and that could be a problem. Okay, let's do this. That's about 2 ohms. We're gonna work with 12 volt car battery. 12 divided by 2 is about 6 amps. That's how we calculate how much this will be drawing. I'm gonna use this 10 amp fuse, so it won't go over 10 amp and start melting stuff.